Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little unboxing slash products that you need for winter. I almost forgot what I was going to say. So today I decided to sit down and do a more chill, fun, relaxed, girly to girly video about products that you need this winter featuring Fabfitfun. If you guys don't know who they are a seasonal box. You get tons of amazing items from like lifestyle, beauty, fitness, a little bit of everything, which is why I love it. Like being a beauty influencer, it's so much fun and I love makeup, but it's also fun to try out different products besides only makeup all the time, which is why I personally love Fabfitfun. And you get to customize your box, which is also a plus. So I'm going to show you guys some items that I personally picked and then some items that I was just like, you know what, surprise me. I don't want to know what I want to get in my box. Most of these items are obviously fit for winter, which is literally right around the corner. I live in Utah and girl, it is getting so cold here. I've been wearing sweaters, sweatpants, and cozy socks. So yeah, I'm excited to jump into today's Fabfitfun winter box. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys have your cozy socks on. I don't have them on yet, but we're about to put them on in just 1 second. I do have my little cold cafecitos, so cheers to you guys if you guys are drinking a coffee with me. And let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Sip, sip. You know what I just realized? I was just cleaning my kitchen and I got my sweater full of Clorox. Ooh, I love this sweater. This is one that I hauled in my Ross haul. I've been obsessed with it because it's so oversized and big and mustard and cozy. Anyway, so as always in your Fabfitfun box, you do get a cute little magazine that you can read through. The products that you have in your box will be in here, so you get to go back and look at your products and see how much they're actually valued at. You get $200 worth of products, but with my code OMG, you actually get your first box for only $39.99, and the products in this box, you guys, are well over $200, which is absolutely amazing. You guys are going to die when you see the products that I got. I was so happy when I was able to choose some of these because I am such a cozy girl, especially now having a newborn. Like I just want to be home chilling in sweatpants, cozy socks, or in a robe. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it, you guys. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys, talking about cozy, you need these types of socks this winter. No ifs, ands, or buts. If you love being cozy, snuggly, warm, you just are a comfort girl like me, you definitely need these socks. These socks are by the brand Muck Lux. These retail for $25. Sherpa lining, oh my gosh, like these just sound like a dream come true. As you can see, the inside is super fluffy, and my feet are always cold, and they're gray. They do have the little like silicone at the bottom, so you're not like slipping and sliding unless you know you like to do that. My little girl loves slipping and sliding in the house, especially when she has like socks on. You know what? Why not? It's already late. It's 6 o'clock. Mama ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna pop these on, you guys, because I want to be cozy. I want to be comfy. I actually just got home from a little shopping, not shopping spree, but I went and got my little girl some boots from Shoe Carnival because they were having a sale. And hello, sales always mean you need to go shopping. Oh my gosh, stop it. These are the cutest thing ever. And they're so warm. Look at this, you guys. Look at how cozy these are. Oh my gosh. This is all I'm going to wear around the house every single day. These are so warm. I love them, and they're actually really cute. Like, I just want to take a cute picture for Instagram next to the fireplace, like being all cute. Next up, I picked this headband. Now, I am typically not a headband girl. This is a Velvet Lily Saduki. Headband. This one retails for $49, which is a little bit pricey, but honestly, it feels super luxurious. I love the color. These colors to me just absolutely scream winter, like cozy vibes and everything like that. So I chose this because I actually wanted to wear something cute when I am doing like makeup tutorials. I usually have like my hair all up in my face, and I don't know, I wanted something that was going to be cute. I don't know if I'm actually going to rock these out. Like, I have to style it maybe. I'm gonna move on to the next thing that I am super excited about. You guys have no idea. I have an obsession with robes. I love robes. I have a pink one, a white one, a silk one, and a black one. It is not necessary to have that much, but every time I get them either as free gifts at Ulta or I see them on sale for some reason, I always snag them up. And honestly, they kind of come in handy. Like whenever I have friends over and my house is too cold, I'm like, here, use my robes. So when I saw this one in the Fabfitfun box, I knew right then and there that I was gonna get this robe, and I am so glad that I did. So this one is the Summer and Rose Cozy Robe. I love that it has front pockets. This one retails for $70. And the best thing is that it has a little hood on. None of my robes have a hood, which I didn't realize how big of a deal it was until now. It is super soft. I am going to wash it before I use it, which is why I haven't used it. But it has the front pockets. To me, like, it has to have pockets because, hello, like, I'm always on my phone, or if I need to grab something, like, it's just ideal to literally throw your phone in there, go do what you gotta do, chill, have your coffee, whatever it is. It is pretty long. I mean, I am pretty short. I'm only like 5 feet. This one is like below my knees. But with these socks, girl, I am going to be like all cozied up. Oh, I am so excited to put this on. I'm actually going to use this tonight after I get out of the shower. I am feeling all the cozy vibes. Okay, so next up we have this Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. So this one is going to give you radiant skin. During the winter time, our skin tends to be a little more dull, a little more dry, a little more sad looking because of the environment. Obviously, it's really cold outside, which is why it's really important to take care of your skin. Give it extra love around the winter time, especially if you live somewhere where it's a little more dry. Your skin definitely needs a little more TLC, if you know what I mean. So this one, let's see. This one, so use a dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. So this one retails for $20. That's really, really cool. So your lymphatic pathways are going to help with like swelling and things like that. Obviously it says reduce puffiness. So you can use it on your forehead, on your nose, on your chin, on your cheeks, and on your neck. I mean, obviously I have like a full face of makeup, so I'm not going to try it right now, but I'm definitely going to try it tonight. It's super cute. It has a small little handle. It's wooden. The bristles feel not too like hard where it's going to like irritate the skin, but it feels soft enough. Oh yeah, that definitely feels really, really soft. And because it is a dry brush, it's also going to get rid of any dry flakiness that you have on your skin. So if you have super, super dry flaky skin, I really recommend a brush like this. And it's cute and it's travel size friendly, which, hello, it's a plus. Okay, so this product I really wanted because now that I'm a mom, I have to carry a diaper bag, and I don't want to carry like a diaper bag, wallets, a bag, and like my personal bag. So I really wanted something that was going to be cute, chic, and convenient for me to carry. So I chose this below the belt croc card case. This is a faux croc. It is not real croc leather. And this one you can just insert your IDs, your credit cards, etc. This one retails for $35. I love the color. Again, these colors are just totally winter appropriate. Raspberries, berries, deep reds are just totally winter vibes. So I really wanted something that was going to just be a little bit more easier for me just to carry, like maybe my debit card, my credit card, and my driver's license, and carry this with me when I have my baby with me. Whenever I don't have them with me, I do carry my own personal bag and I don't have to worry about a diaper bag. But having to carry a diaper bag, you guys, is huge. The thing is humongous. Plus a bag, plus a wallet. I was like, I'm not trying to do all that. So super excited to throw this into the diaper bag. Next up, we have these. I have not tried these, but I'm really excited to try them. My daughter loves doing masks or literal eye gel pads with me. So this is by the brand Guardian Angel, which I love the name. And you guys are going to die when I show you how the packaging is. They literally look like little wings. How cute is that? I am tired as a mother, literally. So these are Revitalizing Eye Gel Pads. So these brighten, hydrate, and depuff. The hero ingredients in this is cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. These are ideal for tired and overworked eyes, me. Jet lag and pre-party prep. I just made a mess out of these, but how adorable are these, you guys? They're dripping everywhere. Retail for $25 and you get, I think, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Yeah, so you can definitely use them for those times that you're feeling a little extra blah. One of the last things that I have here is this Aesthetica liquid eyeliner. This high impact liquid eyeliner glides on easily and stays on for hours. This one retails for $21. I actually really enjoy trying out eyeliners because I feel like it's hard to find a good, affordable gel eyeliner that's not going to smudge, that's going to stay on, that it's black, that is matte, and that it doesn't like ink everywhere. So even though I have eyeliner on, I do want to try this one out. Let's open it so we can see what kind of brush it is. Oh, okay, so it's a small little like felt tip brush, which honestly I kind of like these because once you get the hang of doing eyeliner, these are a little more easy and convenient to apply your eyeliner because they are a little bit stiff, so they make it easier for you to draw the line. So let's see how this one does. I'm just going to kind of clean up the eyeliner they already have. Oh. Well, where was this eyeliner a few minutes ago when I was trying to do my wing? Literally, the eyeliner that I have on was like so dry, but I really like the felt tip on that brush, which is why I kept using it. I like that this formula is a little bit more like a wet formula. It's not super dry, because when you do have an eyeliner that's more of a dry formula, it like drags and it leaves like those little draggy marks. Okay. And it is drying down to a matte formula, which I love. I don't like a shiny eyeliner. The one that I have underneath looks a little bit shiny, but this one is mattifying it. So yay, total success with that one. Okay, you guys, I left the best thing for last. You guys, you're not going to believe what I was able to get in my Fabfitfun box. This is what I mean, you guys. This box is so worth it. So I got this Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight Mirror. What? So this is a LED mirror and it features a bright white LED light strip at the touch of a sensor button to help you perfect your makeup. This one retails for $45. I do have a mirror that I do honestly like. I'm not gonna lie. I use this mirror all the time. I got this one from Amazon. I'm not gonna like blind you guys, but it's really nice because it like swivels around. But honestly, like if I can get a little fancier and get an LED mirror, yes please. We're gonna open this up. I had been wanting to open this up since I got my box, but I almost wanted to give you guys like a first impressions on the quality of the mirror. So let's see what we get. Let's see if this is like worth it or not, okay? So I think I'm gonna have to put this together and maybe put the batteries in. Yeah, okay. So this is the stand and it just says Impressions Vanity. It comes with 4 batteries already, nice, and it comes with a little charger. I love that it comes in bubble wrap. Yes, we do not want anything to break. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was the worst angle I could have showed you guys. Alright, so I'm going to pop this right on. Let's see how easy it is to install, because let me tell you, girl, when it comes to like installing things, I am not good at it. Okay, that was super duper easy. I am going to put the batteries in. They're just on the back side of the mirror. Okay, so that was like super duper easy. And do you guys see this little thing right here? Oh my gosh, I feel so fancy right now. Wow, oh my gosh, this definitely has to be my absolute most favorite thing that I got in my winter Fabfitfun box. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, that is everything that I received in my winter Fabfitfun box. Wow, I am like so impressed with like pretty much everything that I got, because like I said, I was able to customize my box, and you can customize your box too. If you guys want to sign up for Fabfitfun, I do have a link down below. Don't forget that I have a code, which is OMG, and it saves you $10 off your first box. I hope you guys sign up, because honestly, like if you can't tell by now, I genuinely love my boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I showed you guys some like winter essentials that you definitely need for the upcoming chilly weather. I love you guys. Please stay safe out there. Stay blessed. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.